In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WhatsApp to GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have WhatsApp enabled inside your account so you can message leads and customers right from your workspace. Make sure you're signed in to the correct sub-account and that you have permission to manage settings and billing. Start on your sub-account dashboard. This is the home screen for the specific location you want to connect. If you manage multiple locations, double-check you're in the right one before you proceed, so the integration is applied where you expect it. From here, open Settings. You'll find it in the left-hand navigation. Settings is where you manage everything from company details to channels, so it's the right place for this setup. Inside Settings, go to the Integrations area. This page lists all the built-in connections available to your sub-account. It can be a long list, so use the search bar at the top. Type WhatsApp into the search field. You should see the WhatsApp integration tile appear. Click Connect on that tile. If the button is grayed out, make sure you're in the sub-account, not the agency view, and that your user role has the correct permissions. If you haven't purchased the WhatsApp add-on for this account yet, you'll be prompted to complete the purchase before continuing. Review the pricing and billing details, confirm your payment method, and proceed. This purchase step only appears if it hasn't been enabled previously. Once the transaction finishes, you'll be returned to the WhatsApp setup page. Next, you'll see a prompt to agree to the terms and conditions. Take a moment to skim the key points around messaging policies and compliance, then check the box to confirm your agreement. This is required to move forward and helps protect your account from policy violations. Now click Enable Now. Give it a few moments to process. If your browser asks for permission or shows a brief loading screen, that's normal. When it's done, you should see WhatsApp show as active within your integrations. In many accounts, you'll also notice WhatsApp appear as a channel inside the Conversations area and routing options. If you don't see the WhatsApp tile after enabling, refresh your browser, clear your cache, or log out and back in. Also confirm you're still in the correct sub-account. If issues persist, contact your account admin or support to verify permissions and billing status. That's it. You navigated to your sub-account, opened Settings, found integrations, searched for WhatsApp, connected it, handled the purchase if needed, agreed to the terms, and enabled the channel. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.